नमस्ते, जय हिंद। ये है द आवारा मुसाफिर शो क्लिप्स।
I want you to give 3 advice to modern parents जो 3 ऐसी चीजें जो हर मॉडर्न पेरेंट को अपने बच्चों को बतानी चाहिए अबाउट मनी।
They first lesson they have to start learning about money at an early age, right? Which most schools don't do, right? We run so many workshops on finance and business that they need to learn about this. What we let me put it in a curriculum format. We have this teenagers का हमारा जो brand है called Super Teens. उसमें हम एक short form use करते हैं called CAT. So if you want to have your super teen to become super teen, he needs to have C, which is character, A, which is attitude, and T, which is talent. Right? Most parents are focusing on talent. कि मेरे बच्चे को ये सिखा दो, वो सिखा दो, AI सिखा दो. That's good. That should be there. But most important is also attitude. How you handle conflict. How you handle problems. आप उनको कितना भी स्किल दे दोगे या कितना भी पैसा दे दोगे, उनके लाइफ में चैलेंजेस आने वाले हैं. It could be a relationship channel, it could be a business challenge, or it could be a financial challenge, or whatever. So you need to what's your attitude towards conflict? Are you kind and compassionate, or are you rude and impolite? Right? आप बहुत टैलेंट होने के बाद भी रूड और impolite हो सकते हो, which could be going against your this thing. And then character. Character is basically how you show up every day, how you talk to people, what are your inner values, which is very important. तो प्रॉब्लम पैसा देके तो पैसा खत्म भी हो जाएगा, बट उस टाइम पे वो कैसे बिल्ड करेगा, that's where your character comes into picture. So once you have the strong character, we have tied up with 7 Habits of Highly Effective Teens. The Stephen Covey ने जो बुक लिखी थी, जो बहुत ही फेमस और पॉपुलर थी और सबसे ज्यादा बिकी हुई किताब है माइंडसेट के ऊपर, उनकी और उनके बेटे ने और एक बुक लिखी है, शॉन कवे, जिन्होंने 7 Habits of Highly Effective Teens, which is what we teach our teenagers. और वो 7 Habits अगर आपने डाल दी ना, तो आपका कैरेक्टर स्ट्रॉन्ग डेफिनेटली हो जाएगा.
कौन से 7 हैबिट्स होते हैं ये?
There is being proactive. First actually there is a whole curriculum. Being proactive, like think win-win. Think first things first. First synergize. Then you need to have sharpen the saw. And then there is think first to get understand. Listen first to understand, then to be understood. And begin with the end in mind. So not in the right order, but these are the 7 Habits. And I strongly encourage and recommend people or teenagers to read this book called 7 Habits of Highly Effective Teens. Of course, we'll teach that in our programs also, but it's a very powerful book which will build your character. And then attitude ke liye, mindset ke liye, Meghna does so many sessions on mindset like we do for traders also. We also tied up with Art of Living, Sri Ravi Shankarji's foundation, where we talk about mindset, meditation, Sudarshan Kriya, spirituality and all that. So they stay grounded, which builds their attitude. And talent, we want to teach them 4 important skills. अगर मेरा 2 बच्चे हैं teenagers, उनको 4 ऐसी skills सिखानी है जो लाइफ लॉन्ग कुछ भी काम करेंगे काम आए. First is communication, right? Your and my business is running on communication, how we talk,
Yeah.
right? And that goes everywhere. It's not only how we talk with clients and podcasts and all that. You also talk with your friends, and you talk with your parents, and you talk with your kids, and you talk with your wife and husband. So communication is number 1 skill, which you need to master. Second is finance. How do you handle money? How do you earn money? How do you save money? How do you spend money? How do you invest money? Third is business, entrepreneurship, right? What kind of business ideas, or how do you generate business ideas? And fourth is, right now, the most important is technology, which is where AI comes into picture, social media and AI. If they have these 4 skills, they'll survive any recession, any business problem, any challenge in life. Plus, at the same time, they have their attitude also right and their character also. So once they get the CAT, your team becomes a super team.
Tell me something, because I think ये नाम हम अगर कर सकते तो हम बीप कर देंगे, बट आई थिंक यू नो संजय कथुरिया जी. ही हैज़ बीन अ गेस्ट ऑन द शो. उनके बेटे, ही वाज रिसेंटली, हम उनके साथ एक पॉडकास्ट रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे संजय जी के साथ में, एंड ही टोल्ड मी कि उनके बेटे ने ड्रॉप आउट ले लिया है फ्रॉम स्कूल, विच वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई हैव हर्ड कि पेरेंट ने विलिंगली अलाउ किया है अपने बच्चे को. एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक कॉलेज ड्रॉप आउट्स तो हम सुनते हैं, बट स्कूल ड्रॉप आउट वाज फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई हर्ड अबाउट दिस. डू यू थिंक कि हम उस टाइम फ्रेम में आ गए हैं ग्लोबली जहाँ पे schools have become irrelevant, क्योंकि हर स्किल आप यूट्यूब के थ्रू सीख सकते हो, एआई के थ्रू सीख सकते हो, एंड यू कैन मेक good enough
Absolutely.
things for you in life.
Absolutely, yes. And you spoke about Sanjay Katura. He's a good friend. He has come to my office. We have also done a podcast. And I think so. I actually gave this option to my kids also. But उन्होंने अभी स्कूल 8th 9th में पहुंच गए तो अभी खत्म होने को आया है. सो वी से दैट ठीक है खत्म कर लो. बट उसके साथ हम लोग बोलते हैं पैरेलल एजुकेशन और वी कॉल सेल्फ एजुकेशन. जो मैंने अपने कोर्सेज बताए सुपर टीन्स के बारे में, तो मैं उनको भी बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स में, कोर्सेज में, बुक्स में डालता हूँ कि आप अपना डिग्री ले लो बट आपको ये भी सीखना पड़ेगा. फाइनेंस भी सीख. मेरे बेटे ने मेरे सारे ट्रेडिंग प्रोग्राम्स किए बेसिक वाले, तो उसको पता है कि कैसे मार्केट चलता है. वो बेसिक ट्रेडिंग करता भी है. Right, so it's like it's a need of the hour to do it self education, and that's where I think I would say dropout hai, yeah, we call it homeschooling. Basically you study at home and at the same time you study a lot of other things also, and that's a very common concept in US, but it's catching up in India also, and I think it's right, it's okay. I would say school karo na karo lekin self education to karna padega, right, because you need to catch up with the current skills which are not there in the school yet. It's okay. It takes time to change the whole mandate and the whole curriculum and all that, whatever it is. But we have it is in our control to teach them what we want with the help of course, as you said, ChatGPT, or we can call it AI tools nowadays.
Okay. Do you think कि इंडियन फैमिलीज में एक चेंज आने की ज़रूरत है, वेरिन कि आपने भी आई थिंक बचपन से सुना होगा, मैंने भी बचपन से सुना है कि पैसा पेड़ पे नहीं उगता, ये हर फैमिली में कहा जाता है. डू यू थिंक इस सेइंग को ही अब निकालने की ज़रूरत है?
Yeah, absolutely. अगर मैं I would not say the same thing what I heard as a child because that formed my belief. मेरे belief वहीं से बने थे. तो अगर my son will say that okay, buy a Ferrari and I'll say कि नहीं, we can't afford it, पैसा पेड़ पे नहीं उगता. I will not repeat that. I'll say okay, you build the skills and buy it. You can do it. There's no harm in people do it all the time. Find out a way and he'll do it. That's the kind of message you want to give. You cannot say I cannot afford it, or you never repeat this term like we are middle class people. Even if you are, don't let that belief come into that, because it very कितना साल लग गया वो सब कचरा निकालने को. We had to go through so many programs and sessions and so many therapies to get out of that mindset that we can do what we want, and that's exactly what we are trying to do through this moonshot trainings which we are trying.
राइट. बट देन जब आप टीनेजर से इतनी सारी बात करते हो एंड यू आर ट्रेनिंग देम, व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन कि आज जो टीनेजर्स है, जेनजी जिन्हें हम कहते हैं, डू यू थिंक दे हैव दैट माइंडसेट व्हिच वाज कि हमारा जो माइंडसेट था उससे अलग, कि सारे बैरियर्स तोड़ के वो सक्सेस की तरफ जाना ही जाना है?
I don't see anything like what you just said, but मुझे लगता है कि they are very fast, they are very sharp, they are much smarter, of course, with the exposure they have, and they are open to learning. It's not that. It's just how you mold them. See, teenagers, as we say ना, बच्चे होते हैं तो उनको कैसे भी mold कर सकते हो. तो क्योंकि अभी उनका the brain is forming and the relationship and the whole concept of you as a being is formed. So you can mold them early, and that's why it is easy to train them. So if you put them in the right environment and the right skills and the right standard, as I mentioned about that pyramid, of course they can do a lot more than what we did.
Yeah. Okay.